can't start it now.
Hello boys and girls, RandomIslandNorm here. Yeah, anyway, if you're new to my channel, I do melt hunting, exploration, outdoors type videos and everything in between. So today, me and my fish bank co-workers, Tony, Eric and Barry, was out looking for moose. Unfortunately we never found one. Seen some pretty fresh tracks though further down the road. Anyway, we're in a spot that's not even on Random Islander now, but we're gearing up now to have a boil up. You see I got a load of dried alders for now to burn up. Anyway, so we're going to go down in the woods. We found a nice shelter spot because it's a little bit windy today. Alright, this is the spot where we're going to have it too. Got our backpacks hung up. There's Barry. Eric, Tony to make their way down. More wood. Hopefully Tony don't trip up in the trees. Careful, Tony.
Staggered. We're so much room.
Got something for the kettle stick. Size your hands.
Well, I figured that one might.
With this off.
We're ready. Lighter. I took a pack of lighters. Open the thing, I had 3 or 4 lighters. So no spot of food.
You fill the kettle up.
Hey.
Oh, what's your water bowl?
Well, you're right here. Perfect, actually.
Bacon.
He's awfully thick bacon.
Yeah, that's the
Oh, okay, I see.
old-fashioned bacon. 1 kilogram pack.
Oh, I like
Nice.
them.
You got there, Eric's spam.
Yep.
We're fried up on in the frying pan, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's good.
Who wants to spam? Looking on some more, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah, I love fried spam.
I got one of them out frying and stuff like that. Not enough
Is that
to.
normal?
Ooh,
Not enough to. Oh, it's too hot. Well, you got them all in it.
delicious.
Yeah. That'll get hot now. Want the heat's on the heat. Buttered?
Yeah,
Yeah, where you gonna butter this?
I don't know.
They'll burn up, huh?
I'm gonna try some Kippered mackerel. The bear just gave me. The stuff is very, very good. Probably better than herring kippers. Alright, bon appetit.
I think they were looking for one for me. I think they were. I remember it was up in the woods in Clareville. I had bags left open. Like that's, I like Sawyer was in quite on it, right? Like cleaning guns and all that. 'Cause oh shit! I'm throwing it away.
Again.
Here and roll back, go back like it was,
There?
like it used to be, right?
Yeah.
That's mine and wouldn't come back.
I,
Anything else? That was another boil up in the books. Boil up number 7. Yes, oh man, I'm stuffed. Moose! Yeah, so we never came across any moose, unfortunately. Yeah, just some fresh tracks to back up this road here. Yeah, at least we had a pretty sweet and delicious boil up. Very unhealthy boil up, but a good one nonetheless. Anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages if you want to. Alright, guys, see you later. Love you, Jess.
boom up.